Now I shall start exercise 8.4 question number 5. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now at first you write down left hand side. You start from left hand side and go to right hand side. Now left hand side equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta and whole square. Now take LCM, it will be sin theta. So here 1 minus cos theta's whole square. Now 1 minus cos theta's whole square, it can be written 2 times 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and sin square theta. You know the another formula, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now it is of the for 1 means 1 square. So a square minus b square. Numerator is remain unchanged and denominator 1 minus cos square theta can be split up as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Now 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. What remains? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is right hand side, so verified. Now next question. Cos A 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 sec A. Now listen to left hand side equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. At first you take LCM. So 1 plus sin A and cos A both are the LCM. Now you divide 1 plus sin A into cos A by 1 plus sin A. So it will be cancelled and what remains? Cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Now when you divide 1 plus sin A into cos A by cos A cancel. What remains? 1 plus sin A remains. So 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. What will be? 1 plus sin A whole square. Now next line, cos square A plus, you break this bracket, A plus B whole square. So 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now cos square A and this sin square A I have written here. Now 1 square equal to 1 and here 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. You know the formula, cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So I have written here 1. 1 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now take common 2. So in bracket it will be 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A cancel. What remains? 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A equal to sec 2 sec A. Okay? Because cos A and sec A are the reciprocal of each other. So 1 by cos A equal to sec A. So 2 sec A. It is right hand side verified. Now next question. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now left hand side you write down at first tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Only you split up cot theta here. Tan theta remain unchanged. So I have written here tan theta by 1 minus in place of cot theta 1 by tan theta plus again cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta and this 1 minus tan theta written here. Now tan theta is tan theta and in denominator part you take LCM. 1 minus 1 by tan theta. So LCM will be tan theta. So here tan theta minus 1 plus 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. This tan theta will go here. So it will be tan square theta by tan theta minus 1. Now you look one thing. Here is tan theta minus 1 and here is 1 minus tan theta. To make it similar, that is here it should be written tan theta minus 1. So it reverse. So this sign will be changed because 1 minus tan theta equal to minus tan theta minus 1. So minus plus minus here. Now look. Now among these two you take LCM again. So tan theta minus 1, both of them same, and tan theta are the LCM. So you divide tan theta minus 1 into tan theta by tan theta minus 1. So tan theta minus 1 cancel. What remains? Tan theta. So tan theta and tan square theta multiplied and comes tan cube theta. Okay. Minus. And when tan theta into tan theta minus 1 divided tan theta minus 1 into tan theta, then quotient is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 can be written as 1 cube. So another formula creates a cube minus b cube. Tan cube theta minus 1, that is tan cube theta minus 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube formula derived. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You remember the formula. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So I have written here tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus tan theta into 1 plus 1 square, and denominator is same. So this tan theta minus 1 and tan theta minus 1 cancel. What remains? Tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1, and here tan theta. And so this tan theta is divided each time. So tan square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. Now 1 tan theta cancel. What remains? Tan theta. Plus here tan theta 1. And here 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. Now 1 you write here plus tan theta plus cot theta. 1 no necessary to change. Now tan theta you change sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now take LCM among these. So cos theta into sin theta is the LCM. So cos cancel. When you divide, sin remains, and sin theta sin square theta. And here also sin theta cancel. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. You know the again same formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to here 1. 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So 1 plus 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta, and 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta. So 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. It is our requirement, that is right hand side, and verified. Now okay.